Hi, it's Pam at 101 Mile Kitchen, and it's a beautiful day here up on my ridge. The sun is shining, not a single cloud in the sky. That's the first time in a long time that we've had no clouds in our sky. The vineyard behind me is green and lush and beginning to blossom and bloom, and the wind is blowing. You can hear birds. It's just a really pretty day. I thought I'd share with you an unpacking video of an order that I just received from Rancho Gordo beans. If you've been around long, you know that I'm a huge fan of Rancho Gordo products. The beans are the freshest dried beans I've ever worked with. They don't even require pre-soaking in order to get a really good a good end result when you cook your beans. And there's so many wonderful heirloom varieties, and they're just delicious. So let's see, some new things came in my package this time. What is it? Oh, a little Rancho Gordo book with lots of new recipes. This is great. They haven't sent one of these before, so I'm excited to go through that. Delicious beans from Rancho Gordo. Every pot of victory. And I agree, every pot does turn out to be just really, really amazing and delicious. So they also send all these other little postcard shaped recipes each time that have really fun art on them. And I've of course just got my invoice. So what do I have in here? Oh my goodness. I have 3 bags of my favorite, this is truly my favorite bean, the Rancho Gordo Royal Corona. I don't know if you can see that, but these beans are enormous. They cook up really large, so they make really neat bean casseroles, or I got 3 bags because I know this summer I'll be making a lot of salads that will have this as a main component or a part of a composed salad. But they're really, really delicious. A very hearty, meaty white bean that's just beautiful. I have 2 bags of the Alubia Blancas. They are a little Italian heirloom variety I take that back. They're a Spanish heirloom variety that's a small, tiny little white bean with a very thin skin, and they don't take long to cook at all, and they're really just a lovely mild bean that again can be used in so many ways. It's summertime, so our options have just opened up widely for how we use beans. Nice baked beans with a barbecue, or beans in a salad, or there's just a million ways to do that. So I have a couple of bags of those, and I have a couple of bags of the Ayacote Negro beans, and these are a black bean. They're a little bit larger than your typical black bean, and they also have a real meaty texture, but they're great for anything you would use black beans for, like black bean soup or that type of thing, but just a lovely refried bean, or again, another if you want to make a big composed salad with like a grilled skirt steak and corn and some maybe more Southwest flavored ingredients. These beans would be terrific for that. So I have 2 bags of those. So do I have, and then I have hominy, a bag of white hominy for pozole, and you can see that's the treated corn there, and there is nothing like Rancho Gordo hominy cooked up. And we probably won't be making too much pozole here in the summertime, the nice Mexican soup with the chiles as the base, but I thought that I might explore the idea of making some hominy-based salads and fritters and some other things like that. So be looking to see what I come up with for a summertime application. for this hominy. I also purchased, the Rancho Gordo also sells some spices, and what I really love is their Mexican oregano. It is different than Mediterranean oregano. If you haven't tried Mexican oregano, it is really, oh gosh, just so beautiful, pungent, has a resinous scent. It's got more of a resinous, earthy flavor than the more herbally toned Mediterranean oregano. And I love to have it for anything that goes sort of more in a Mexican or Southwest flavor. And I use a whole bunch of it, so I got 3 jars of that. So that's my Rancho Gordo box. They get in out of the wind, and I encourage you to look up Rancho Gordo. This is not a sponsored post. They are just a company I truly believe in, and I absolutely love their products. So I always like to share that with you. So I hope you're having a terrific beginning of the summer, and stay tuned to see how we use these beans. Take care.